So hey everybody, happy Wednesday. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you've visited, thank you so much. And I thought I would come on today. I do have a small Aliexpress order to share with you and just to chat a bit. I really don't have anything planned. It's a beautiful day here. I'm in New England, and it is going to be 90 degrees tomorrow, so it looks like we're heading right into summer. Skipped over spring for the most part, and it's a welcome sight to see the sunshine and the blue skies. I hope the weather's nice where you are as well. So with my Aliexpress haul, excuse me, the allergies, my voice is cracking. With the Aliexpress haul, it took about a month for these items to get here. And like I said, it's just a very small haul. I did get these Gingerbread Charms. These are so cute. Let's see if I can open it up here for you. And you get, I believe, about 10. I'm already thinking about my Christmas projects. I can't wait. I got these bulb pins from my junk journals. These are 0.83 inch and they look to be a bronze color. I'll try to link these items below if you're interested. And I believe there are 100 in this bag. I got some bales, and the reason why I wanted these bales is to make these butterflies. I used a tutorial on the channel, Happy Glitter's Nest. I'll link that below as well. And she shows how to make the butterflies. The bale is on the back. And I thought those were really pretty, very glittery. I also got from Alina Cuddle Crafts, I got the bow dies, which is the large and the medium size. These are heart bows. I am trying a new setup with my camera. I'm not used to it yet, obviously. So those are these are going to be a gift for a lady on YouTube. I also got this die, and this is only like $1.25 or so. And my plans, this is how it cuts out. Very dainty, cute. My plans were to possibly use it on this card. This is a Karen Berniston die that I used to make the card. And I was going to put it up here on both sides. I'm not sure yet. I still have some snowflakes to put on the inside of the card. But I thought that would be pretty. This is the Evergreen Pivot die by Karen Berniston. So other than that, that's pretty much all I got on for the Aliexpress. So I was wondering what everyone is working on. I'm working on a package for a lady who is doing a challenge on YouTube, and it's an ATC challenge. So I've been doing that. I made her, in addition to the ATC card, I'm going to send her this Pokey tool that everyone seems to be making the Pokey tools lately. In this one I just put a little dangly charm on it with the butterfly and the crown. I used I got these from Hobby Lobby, the scribe pins. The one thing about these pins that you should be aware of is that they're a little bit thicker. A lot of my beads would not go on this this pin because it's too thick. So I made that. I'm working on a little box to put this in, which is going to be here. There is a tutorial on YouTube for the box, and I'm just going to finish that up while we chat. So what is everyone else working on today? It's such a beautiful day. I really should be outside, but I just want to get this done so I can get in the mail for her. This is art glitter glue that I'm using. I really love this glue. And I use this fine line applicator, standard tip. This works for me. I know a lot of people like using the metal tips on the art glitter glue bottles themselves, and I just didn't have any good luck with those. I don't know what I did wrong, but it seemed like it dried up and I couldn't get the pin back into it. So this is the box. Oops, I forgot to glue the bottom. Put this on the inside. So has everyone gotten their vaccinations? I got mine. I got my second dose about maybe a month ago. And I didn't have any bad reactions to it. Hope everyone else got theirs. Now, when I made the box, of course, I didn't realize that I was making it upside down. There is some writing on this paper. This is the Prima Marketing Love Story pad, and there's some little writing on it. And I wasn't really paying attention, so the writing's upside down. This is the top of the box. I mean, if there's a 50-50 chance of getting it wrong, I mean, I'll do it. I'll get it wrong. And now with the Pokey tool, these scribe pins come with this little tip. It's a rubber tip so that you don't prick yourself with it. However, this tip, this Pokey tool is sharp, and it just goes right through the tip. So what I have are these little plastic stoppers. I'm just going to replace that one. And I'm sorry, I know I'm off camera, but I have to bring this up so I can see it. So I'm just going to replace that one with this one. That way she won't hurt herself when she opens it up. And this will, I'm going to put it in a little bag, and it will fit right into the box. Okay. And what else I'm going to do is, I have a little bow. I'm going to glue the bow right on the box. I'll trim this up, and I'll put a little, maybe a little daisy on there, a little pearl daisy, and that will that will finish that project. The other thing I've made for her is, this is a glue bottle stopper. And what I did is I took an art glitter glue pin. It has to be a stainless steel pin. Otherwise, if it's not, it will cause your glue, the rust will get into your glue and it will ruin your glue. So I'll demonstrate this pin on this bottle, but basically you just stick the pin in and it is a charm for the bottle. I do have her name on there. Now I did this based off of Tracy Fox. She used a little earring butterfly stopper, I guess you would call it. So if the pin for some reason goes bad or she breaks it, whatever, she can always take this off and put it on a different pin, and she'd be able to use it, still use it without throwing the whole thing away. I just plan on putting this into some foam and I'll glue that onto here, bag it up, and that will be her glue charm. So that will go in the package as well. The actual ATC card itself, what I did is I just pulled, I've got to put my glue stopper on before it dries up. I did a wedding album, gosh, maybe a couple of years ago or last year, and I had some leftover flowers, and I just went into my bag and pulled out some bits and bobs of things. This is my card itself. Again, this is a love story paper pad. And I did some texture paste with a stencil. Probably won't see it when I'm done. I'll probably cover all that up. And I have my information on the back. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is, I haven't, like I said, I haven't really planned this out yet, but I think I'm going to put a little pearl sprig there, and maybe this flower sprig here. I'm going to put this down. This is just a piece of watercolor paper so I can see it here. And this is some roses that I made. I might put those like that. Might pop these in a little bit. I'm not sure, but I might pop those in there. Give it a little bit more glitter. I have a little bead charm. It says beauty. Might put that right over there. And then I'll take my butterfly with the dangly, and I'm going to mount that on some foam and probably put it right up there. And what I do with my foam, I have foam sheets, and I use the scraps from the foam sheets. I just cut it off and use my Fabri-Tac glue and just use those, and it works quite well. I might also, I have this jar full of just scraps of everything, little lace tidbits, which I love using in my junk journal. And what I might do is, I have this lace scrap, and I might put that right under here at the bottom. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to finish up this ATC card and get this. I have to get this off into the mail for her, and hopefully she will enjoy it. So once again, I want to thank everyone for coming today and visiting my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.